Dalvin Cook was off to a torching start, both to his NFL career and to the Minnesota Vikings NFC North opener against the Detroit Lions. Ranked second in the league in rushing yards after 3 weeks, the second-round rookie was averaging more than 5 yards a pop into the teeth of Detroit's defense. Just one run after another finished with a big hit and extra yardage. Then he reached down for his left knee and fell to the turf and dropped the ball. Just like that, his rookie year is finished. Cook will miss the rest of the season with a torn ACL, the Vikings announced. That was the result of the second quarter run, where he tried to shift out of a Tavon Wilson tackle and twisted his knee. He'll undergo surgery and rehab, but the days of running rugged in NFC North games this season are done, almost before they really began. Cook had 11 carries for 66 yards and a touchdown against Detroit on Sunday. After he went out, the Vikings' running game stalled as Latavius Murray and Jerick McKinnon combined for 9 carries for 21 yards. Minnesota had next to no offense down the stretch of a 147 Lions victory. Detroit is likely far from finished seeing Cook, the electric former Florida State star who offers burst, physicality and receiving ability. Minnesota drafted him in the second round despite durability and off-field concerns because it wanted to try to move on from Adrian Peterson while staying a run-first team. It's incredibly early, but at just 22 years old, Cook had flashed the potential to be a star. He now faces a long road back to being the runner the Lions saw early Sunday.